Yo, what's up, guys? So in this video, we're going to talk about Merch by Amazon. It won't let you publish your first design. You just got approved for your account. Good job. Congratulations. Exciting news, by the way, first and foremost, right? So good job on getting your account approved. Welcome back to my channel. My name is RJ Martinez, and you're getting this grayed out button. You filled out all that good information on your Merch by Amazon listing. You're ready to upload, but you're getting the gray box, right? It won't let you upload. You can't click that thing, right? And you can't upload your first design. What the heck's going on, right? So this is usually happening to the newer accounts. So like tier 10, tier 25, tier 100, right? And I'll explain to you guys how you tier up and kind of give you guys some tips and tricks on that. And I'll give you guys an insight on my personal account. So it's very important that you guys give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, say hi, what's going on, what tier you guys are at, and what you plan on accomplishing. Yeah, watch to the very end, and I'll show you guys an insight on my account. I just passed over 150K in royalties. I'll show you my top selling product. And then not only that, I will show you my top selling colors. So stay to the very end. Yeah, so what it is so basically you have the correct dimensions. Okay, you have the correct dimensions for your design and all that stuff. You have the brand filled out correctly. You're not passing the amount of characters, none of that stuff, or the title, the bullet points, or the description, and you still have the box grayed out. And that sucks because you're like excited and you get in there and you're like, yes, I got it. I'm gonna start making some sales, but I can't publish a dang design. What the heck? So what's going on right there is basically you have too many products checked because you can only have a certain amount of submissions per day, okay? And you may have a certain amount of countries selected, right? So for example, for the products, let's say you have a t-shirt, hoodie, sweatshirt, pop socket, right? That's considered, I think that's 4 products, right? So you can't have 4 products uploaded. That's too many. You're exceeding the amount of products you can upload in a day. And Merch by Amazon has restrictions on this because they don't want people coming in and just spamming the whole catalog, right? So what it is you can only upload 1 product. And we'll get to that throughout this video. And I'll be explaining to you guys the top selling product for my account. So kind of give you guys an insight on that. But for now, for example, you're gonna only publish to 1 product, which would be standard t-shirts. Now, you guys see what countries you're publishing this to. You only wanna focus on publishing to 1 country, which for my example in this video would be just publish to the US, right? You may publish to different marketplaces depending on where you live or whatever, like what's your goal, what do you wanna accomplish? So for example, you only check that one. So you'll be only publishing 1 product to the US. Now, if you click the US and the UK and Germany, that's publishing 3 products to 3 different marketplaces, and you can only publish 1 product, right? Only 1 product, okay? So very important that you guys understand that. That's so important. That's gonna fix the issue that you guys are having with that grayed out box. And I know it can be really frustrating at first, but your goal is to get out of the lower tiers. There's a few ways that you can do that. You can either buy yourself out of there, or what I recommend is price your products very low starting out, because you will make more sales. And that's just the way it is, right? Customers, I've done this, I tested this with my account plenty of times where I price a product really low just to get out of the lower tiers or just to tier up, right? To get more sales. I know that you'll establish more sales volume on your account, and your goal is not to focus on profit. And I have a video up here that's talking about that too. It goes into more detail. I'm not telling you how to price your products. I think it's proven that if you price your products really low, you'll make more sales long term. But now, me personally, myself, I'm pricing my products straight for standard t-shirts, because that's what I focus on my account is standard t-shirts, because that's what sells the most for me. I should go straight to $19.99 now, and $19.99. Okay. As far as that, it's important that you understand that pricing low and not focusing on the profit right away will help you get more sales and get you out of the lower tiers. But yeah, so let me jump into the computer and explain exactly what I'm talking about so you guys have a better idea, and you can kind of get an overview of everything. And me showing you my account and my top seller and the best selling color for my product, okay? All right, guys, so as you can see right here, I'm gonna blur some of this stuff out. The available submissions for the day will be 2,500 products per day, right? Now, as I'll go into more detail about this, as we go into the create area. But as you can see, I'm at tier 50K on this account. So as you get a better understanding when you first get your account, that this available submissions per day, right, is going to be a lot lower. So you want to check this on your account because every account is going to be different. Me personally, like I said, I'm at tier 50K, so I get more submissions per day, right? And you can see the total of live products I have. And this is just products. So for example, I can have one design on 5 different products in return. So let's say it's at 42,951, but I upload one design to 5 different products, it will put it up to 42,956, right? So depending on how many products you upload, right? And we're not talking about the design. The design can be, the design is the same on every single product. We're talking about the amount of products you upload. So for example, the design, right, is going to go on 5 different products. That doesn't mean that you have 3 designs, right? So the design's completely different from the number of uploaded products, right? If that makes sense. I'm trying to explain that as best as possible, but yeah, you get the idea. So I'm gonna go ahead and right click and open up the create tab, okay? I already did that over here, obviously, but I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm talking about. So when you come over here to the right-hand side, you're gonna select products, right? Now with this right here, what you're going to do is right here, you can click this. So when you select that, you're selecting all products, right? And what you're doing is uploading to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 products. Now you add all these are all considered, you're uploading to all the other products too as well. So what you're going to do is just unselect everything and just select this one, okay? And you're going to press continue. And that right there is going to solve the problem, okay? Now you have your only one selected product. You upload your artwork to here, right? And you fill out all this good information, 60 characters, right? You can see right here, 50 characters, right? 256, 56, 2,000 characters, right? And then this right here will be the publish button right here will not be gray no more. It'll pop up. So that is the issue that our people are having, because what is exactly happening is you can only upload one product per day, right? And what you're doing is you don't have the amount of sales. First of all, let's say you're at tier 10, you have 10 products up and you're not tiered up yet. You can't upload any more products, or you're trying to upload too many products in one day. If you can only upload one product per day and you're selecting 1, 2, 3, right? That counts as 3 products uploaded. And then you click on this one, that's 4 products. Now you click on this one and this one and this one. How many do we have? We have 7 products altogether right there that we're uploading. So what you're going to do is uncheck all these here and here and continue. Boom. All right. And you'll be able to publish your product then after that. Now, as I promised, like I said, I'm just going to show you guys the inside of my account. I'm going to come over here to merch, click over here, merch by Amazon. And then I have this pretty cool little Chrome extension, pretty merch, right? Real awesome. I have a affiliate link down below to check that out. What we're going to do is come over here to all-time sales. As you can see, passed over 150K in royalties. I'm about to pass 50K in all-time sales, and that will make me eligible to tier up to what is it, 60K, I want to say. So, but also too, I have to have, and this is a very important too for you guys listening to this, it's very important. So in order for you to tier up, so if let's say you're at 10K or 25K, I mean 10 tier, which 10 items only, 10 tier or 25K tier. In order for you to tier up, you must have 80% of your products filled and more than. So for example, 10K, you have to have 8 products up, okay, and then have over 10 sales for you to tier up to the next level. And then that's a rinse and repeat process for every single other tier. So, okay, so 80% of the listing up, and then over the amount of sales that you have. So like I said, 8 products live and over 10 sales at tier 10, and then so on and so forth. Tier 25, tier 100, tier 500, tier 1000, so on and so forth. So yeah, so we're gonna view. So looking at the all-time sales, right, you can see that the products right here, my standard t-shirts are 91%. Okay, me personally, my account, 91% of my products sold on my account are standard t-shirts. Now, the fits, you can see 49% come from men, 33% come from women, 17% from kids, and then unisex. I'm not sure what the heck that is, but yeah, you can see. And then now my top 5 colors. We're going to have black, navy, royal blue, dark heather, pink, okay? And purple is right behind. No, not even right behind. Yeah, that's right there. It's right there. Yeah, I just want to show you guys this. So now me personally, myself, I do focus more on standard t-shirts. They seem to sell more. I know that everyone else's account may be different. Okay, so that's something to pay attention to. Let's say you're focusing just on V-necks, right? Your designs only look good on V-necks, right? Or you're focusing on pop sockets and your designs only look good on pop sockets. So it's, and I also too, as I see like #1 sellers, top sellers on my account, like I will actually take that top selling product and put it on other products. And most of the time they do sell. For example, like on a phone case, I have I uploaded my one of my top selling products to a phone case, and it's already sold 4 or 5 times, right? And that's within that week. So as you start growing your account and start making sales, take your top selling design and upload them to other products, right? And that will help you make more sales. And one of the most important things, guys, is research. I can't explain this enough. Keyword research, niche research, those are very important before you make your design. You want to make sure that your design has a search volume or people are actually searching for your design. And how would you figure that out? There's tools that you can use out there, right? But also you can just research on Amazon. Look at what people are searching for in the search bar, right? And if you can see something that people are searching for, you search it and you see that there's a demand on that front page, design for that niche, right? And that's very important. That's how you make consistent sales on your Merch by Amazon account. And yeah, hopefully the video provided value for you guys. Check out my other videos here.